Today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Police Respond to a Girl Being Kidnapped.
A girl was kidnapped by her psycho boyfriend who had multiple criminal charges against him. He also smashed his mother's car in a fit of rage, and officers were racing to intervene before he could hurt her.
Okay, so the door handle,
He tore the door handle off.
he ripped it off, or
I wasn't there, and I just came out here and saw it torn off, but it was in good shape before.
okay,
But that is done, that is done, that is done, and this is done over here. Plus the front end smashed into that.
okay, and that's, as far as you know, that's it.
As far as I know, that.
Thanks to the quick response time, the male wasn't able to drive far, and the busted-out rear of the car made it stick out like a sore thumb.
The car is a brown 2005 Toyota Camry.
Right, I'm familiar.
It's got the back end smashed in. Trunk is open, I think.
Yeah, so there's a deputy trying to catch up with him right now. They passed each other.
Oh.
68, you get him?
They're out with him at the entrance.
Showtime. Yeah, you cooked.
Hey! Get out the car! Get out the car! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Yeah, get on the ground in the mud.
Lay down! I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing these games, man. I don't care. Okay, I'm sorry, sir.
He said, I'm sorry.
I was 1095.
All right, they got him in custody.
All right, stand up. Roll over. Stand up, 'cause you're in an ant bed. Sorry. I know, I'm going to get the ants off of you. Stand up. Face.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Do I have a story I can tell?
We'll talk to you,
the
absolutely. The other deputies up there.
Come on, man, bro. This guy's taking advantage of the girl. You sitting there wiping him off, man. Rub his face in the mud. Shit, what the hell kind of shit going on here?
Scene, come back here.
She also has a part too.
All right, so I mean, just.
All right, so I'm just gonna straight up. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Okay, cool.
I'm gonna be the honestest person I've ever been since ever.
Are you and her fighting?
No, we're not fighting.
What's her name?
Maria.
Maria. You want to step back here?
Come here, babe. She's crying because what we did, we got in the car, right? We went to leave.
Are you okay with stepping back here? Okay, come back
So
here.
this is what happened. So me and her got in the car. We were taking my dog to the pound.
Okay.
All right, my dog is Charlie. Put him in the car. We're going to the pound. All right, Mom gets in her car. She stomps off. All right, I try to catch Mom, and I cut.
Why is Mom stomping off?
Because for some reason she's mad at us because we got into an argument and we were.
You and her got into an
You can
argument.
even ask her. We got into an argument. We were fighting.
Why do you have blood on your face?
My hand.
From like
wrecked.
consoling her when you wrecked?
No. Where we wrecked?
Yeah.
It's up there. I went all the way forward and my hand hit the shit.
Y'all had a wreck up there.
Yeah. So I cut in front of her, right, Mom? So try to stop her, get out and talk to her, and I was literally.
Come on, Sarge. This is piss poor, Sarge. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is bad. You could visibly look at her face and see she got some marks. But not only that, she keep looking at him kind of in fear a little bit. Like, Sarge, you can't pick up on that. First of all, you should keep them separate, because now you don't know. Now, if you ask her what happened, she gonna listen to his story and kind of put it together. You know what I mean? He should have kept them two separate. Come on, man.
Press on my brakes and stop. She keeps going and runs right in front of me, right
Okay.
to me. So that's why the back of the car looks like that.
Yeah.
And she was in the car. That's my witness.
532. We'll talk to you in just a second.
Yeah, he'll talk to me.
Can you come down here when you get a minute?
No, it's okay. Here, come here. Calm down.
Listen, we'll talk to you in just a second, okay?
Calm down. It's okay. Calm
So all this is over a dog.
basically. And us arguing.
Well, I'll talk to you in just a minute. Fair enough?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, calm down.
The way he silences his girlfriend speaks volumes about their relationship. And the fact that he had kidnapped the same girl about a month ago raises some serious questions.
Where are y'all coming now?
We're just going back. We're going back
to do what?
To talk to Mom.
Yeah. Where'd y'all go?
We went up the road and that way and sat at that little river thing.
Yeah.
And we sat there. Me and her talked and everything. And then we were deciding to come back home. So we come back home and then we see cops.
Well, yeah, because Mom called us.
Yep, Mom did call y'all for sure.
Yeah. I mean, I ain't gonna lie to you.
I don't even want to be around her at this point.
Okay, so how old are you? So why are you living here? I mean, I guess are you in school still?
No.
You dropped out?
Yeah.
You can't.
She told me I can't leave. I'm like, Mom, I can leave.
You can't leave because you have charges on you, and you can't leave without those charges on you. You can't.
No, but those are pending. Those aren't.
But they're felonies.
You arrested me last time, didn't you?
I didn't arrest you, but I mean, I came out here.
Well, you came.
Yeah. That was
and
the
you
city.
took me to the
Yeah, the city.
Those are the charges. And I have to go to court in April. Which
I thought you had stuff out of Bibb County too.
That I don't have court till like two more years.
No, there's charges in Bibb County.
Yeah, I don't know when that is. Like.
I thought you just had that. That's why I meant.
Yeah, I did. I just got out of jail for that one.
Yeah.
Can you put my pants on?
I don't know if I'm allowed to touch you.
Is she allowed to touch you?
Oh man, if you want to pull his pants up, I don't care.
Thank you. Oh, you dropped something. Just pull him up in the back. Okay, that's good. Whoa. Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have a seat in this car so we can figure this mess out.
Okay.
If you run from me, I'm
not
gonna
running.
tell you.
I promise you.
Okay. Just wanted to go ahead and get that out of the way.
I promise you I'm not gonna run.
Okay. Have a seat for me.
Okay.
Get him together, because he got mad creep charges, talking about rape and all types of stuff.
Tell me what happened, because I feel like your body language is telling me a different story than what he's telling me, okay? So
Finally, Sarge. Okay. All right. I thought Sarge was incompetent for a second. I thought he was. I'm like, yo, you can't see her face. Like, what's up with you, man? What's up with you, man? You can't see that? I'm like, I can see that. You can't see the way she acting? And you got them together? So, okay, at least, all right, boom. He waited. He played it smooth, waited for backup, separated them. Now he gonna ask her, okay. Cause I'm like, no way you don't see the way she acting. No way.
what's going on?
I'm so scared. I don't even.
I understand.
Okay.
I believe
I
it.
just don't want him to hurt me if I let
He's not going to hurt you because he's in the back of a patrol car, and me and this Deputy Johnson are standing here, and we will not allow him to hurt you.
He's about to go to jail.
Yeah.
He's about to go to jail.
I mean, look at the damage to that's your vehicle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we get called out here for a hit and run accident.
He's never gonna like open the door or something.
He can't even open the door from the inside. Would you like to step to the rear of my vehicle? I have a body cam on. You're a female.
Sorry,
I have a
I don't know
If you'd rather step back here to the back, that's fine.
Soon as she got out of her boyfriend's vision, the poor girl was able to let go of her fear and speak freely.
Okay, so he's my boyfriend.
I understand.
We have like really bad
I know, I've dealt with y'all. Remember, I was at the office.
really
Yeah.
bad controlling issues.
Okay.
And I pressed charges on him. He paid for my car. And I came down here one day. I stayed here for the first night, and then his mom let me stay because she felt like I was gonna, I don't know, do something stupid.
Yeah.
I don't know what Mom told you, but I just don't want to be here at this house because she's abused me.
Today his mom was like, we're gonna go to the laundromat.
Okay. You and her.
She said, I need your help, honey. And I was like, okay. He was fine with it. He was like, you can go. I was like, with my mom. Why is there clothes everywhere? And so I was like, okay. So then I went to get in the car and he's like, wait, you're not going? And I said, you just said I can go. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
And he was like trying to pull me out the car. And
Out of which car?
in his mom's car.
Okay.
And so I ran in and she slammed the door closed and she locked both doors and he's beating on their door. Get the out of the car.
All right. My question to you is, did you damage the passenger side window of...
No, I didn't. It happened when she ran into the back of me.
Okay. So you didn't rip the
sir,
door
I
handle off or
promise you
dent
I
the
didn't.
side or anything like that?
No, I promise.
Okay.
When she ran, all the stuff is down there at the road.
He was like, I'm gonna beat the out of you, and he was standing over me with his boot, and I was scared to
Okay. Where did this car come into play?
It's about to come into place.
Okay.
And then he works away and he goes to mom's car. He said, I'm gonna beat the out of her. I'm gonna kill her. I'm gonna kill her. He gets in front of the car and it's like, beat your windshield. I said, Mom, keep driving. He's in the way, keep driving. And I didn't want her to kill him, but I just said, keep driving. He'll move.
Yeah, trying to get away from him. We understand that.
And he eventually moved, and we drove off, and then he gets in my car up there and chases us, blocks the road so we can't leave, and he goes in front of us, and now we're like back to back with him. Mom stopped, and then I said, and he's still in the car, I said, Mom, get around him and go. And she tries to go around him, and he swerves the car and slides in front of us again, and we almost crashed into him, so Mom just reversed and starts driving backwards all the way back to the house so that she could turn around in here and turn that way.
Okay.
And he reversed too, and then he drove in front of us, swerved in front of the car, and now we're going this way, and he's in front of us. And then Mom's going, and then he slams his brakes in front of the car, and my face hits the dashboard, and Mom's face hits the dashboard, and the car was just crashed, and that's how it stopped.
Remember the broken car window? The obsessed abuser repeatedly punched through the glass trying to open the door and force his girlfriend to get out.
He smashed my window.
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
Girlfriend to get out.
He smashes my windshield, rips the glass out, goes in, and he's moving like this. He's cutting up his wrist trying to open up the door.
Yeah.
And then he opens the door, pulls me out.
The passenger window?
Yeah, my side.
Or the windshield?
My side.
Yeah, the passenger side window.
Opens the door and grabs me. Mom's screaming, saying, put her down. And grabs me and he throws me on the ground and he steps on me with his boot. He said, you're going to come in the car with me. He puts me in the car and he closes the door. And I know, don't run. Don't get out and run. He'll run me over or something crazy. So I just sit in the car and I'm just hoping that the cops were called and you guys would find us. And then he was like, I'm going to hide you in the woods and you don't know what I'm going to do to you. And he said, and I was like crying and like, I didn't know what to do.
When y'all went past me, what did he say?
He said, the cops are coming, I'm gonna run. I said, are you stupid? I said, you don't run from the cops. He said that I'll just crash the car. And I said, I didn't know what to do, so I'm holding my face crying. And you drive past us this way, and I'm like this. And then I saw you turn around, your lights go on. And that was it. And then he said he was going to come back to the house, and he said, you better lie. He said, you better lie and tell them none of this happened. He said, you just better lie. And I said, okay, I'll lie. But I wasn't going to lie. I was just trying to make sure I didn't get killed on the way home.
All right, I'm going to tell you the same thing. And look, I do not mean this in a mean way, but I told you this last time.
I know, I was stupid.
I told you this last time, and I'm going to tell you again, okay? You got to stop coming back over here.
Trust me.
Listen, we're here today. We're luckily, listen to me, we got here in time today. Things aren't worse than they could be, but listen to me. He's done this longer than me, and he can probably tell you, these kind of people, they get worse and worse and worse every single time. I don't want us to come out here one day and you be laid over somewhere. Listen to me. I don't want you to be strangled or stab wound or gunshot or something like that. Now, you're old enough, you can make your own decision. But here's my thing, you keep bringing yourself back out here. It doesn't make it right. You should not have that kind of treatment done to you, but you keep bringing yourself out here knowing what he turns into. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it was my fault. I know.
Hold on the fault thing. Like, should you have come back? No, but it's what happened today is nothing. None of this is your fault.
But I know so much better. Like, I know.
But nobody deserves this. Not you, not the next girl. I don't mean that in a mean way. If he is with another girl, that girl doesn't deserve it. Nobody deserves the way he treats people.
The male was charged with 3 counts of criminal damage to property first degree, kidnapping, false imprisonment, and simple battery family violence. YouTube thinks you'll love.
She's stuck in a cycle with this guy, and this guy is a real creep. I mean, this guy has so many different charges that is just insane. He got a grape charge. You know, he got all types of stuff, and this is the type of men that the ladies is attracted to? Come on, man. Where's her daddy, man? Like, yo, what? If that's because I believe that the mom, they both call her the mom, but I believe the mom is his mom. You know what I'm saying? So she coming over here, and it seems like the mom is even afraid of his actions. Like, what has happened, you know, for this guy to be like this? This is a sick guy right here. This guy here need to be, you know, this guy needs to be in jail. I'm sorry. He need to be for a while. He need at least a 10-piece just to get his mind right. You know what I'm saying? Well, he's 17. Yeah, come back out around 30. Maybe you could get your mind right, because this guy here is dangerous, and a lady is gonna you know, it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad for one of these chicks, man. It's gonna be bad. And I like how the officer didn't necessarily blame her, you know, because, you know, it's like victim blaming and stuff like that or whatever. But, you know, she does play a factor in this. Like, let's keep it 100. We got to keep it real. What happened to her is unfortunate. She's with a sick freak. This guy is sick. But she plays a role in it. She keeps putting herself in these situations. I mean, I know people don't want to hear that. Don't blame her, this and that. I'm not blaming her, but she is putting herself in these situations, and it's dangerous. This guy here is they just need to take him back in the woods and just get rid of him, because this guy here needs to go out of here. You know, but yeah, luckily the cops did get there in time and everything, so they saved her this time, but who knows about the next time, you know what I mean? But yeah, I get a cops 5 out of 5, man. Well, nah, I can't give him 5 out of 5. I'm gonna give him 4 out of 5. And the reason why I'm not giving 5 out of 5 is because I feel like Sarge should have kept them separate from the jump, because he know what time it is. The fact that you had them together, oh, come back here. Do you feel safe coming back here? What is she gonna say? No, like in front of him? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I think that could have been handled a lot better in the beginning when it was just the one cop. They should have stayed separate. She should have stayed in the car, and he should have came in the back, talked to him, whatever, and all of that. You know what I'm saying? But that's the only thing that I didn't like what Sarge did. But yeah, so I'm giving 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.